dear Rosanna. I would like to thank you all for being here today in this afternoon. As you know, the subject of my presentation today is Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman born on 7th November 1888, who was an Indian physicist born in the former Madras province in a village named Tiruchirappalli, who done a groundbreaking work in the field of physics in scattering of light and won Nobel Prize in Physics in the year of 1930. At an early age, Raman moved to the city of Visakhapatnam and studied at St. Aloysius Anglo-Indian High School. Although he was a brilliant student, he completed his matriculation examination when he was just 11. He also completed his FA examination at the age of 13 years. Raman moved to the city of Madras and joined in Residency College, where his father was lecturer in mathematics and physics. Raman also completed his Bachelor of Science examination in University of Madras and stood first and won the gold medal in physics. Raman also completed his Master of Science with the highest distinction in the University of Madras. During his voyage to the Europe, Raman observed blue-colored, gracious Mediterranean Sea. He was motivated to discover what is the reason for the blue color. On 28 February, Raman led experiment on scattering of light along with his collaborators along with K.S. Krishnan. What is Raman effect? What is the term in the Raman effect that made it him the Nobel Prize? Anyone? What is the Raman effect? When a light beam incident on the substance, the light is reflected by the molecules of the substance. You can see that when the substance absorbs light and subsequently emits the light. In the third figure, we can see that frequency of the absorbed light incident photon is exactly as same as the frequency of the emitted light. It means the energy of the incident light is equal to the energy of the emitted light. This is what we call Rayleigh scattering of light. But Sir C.V. Raman observed very little. 1 in 10 millions of light rays incident on the substance with a little wavelength, which we cannot see by our own eye, human eye. This is what we call Raman effect. And at his entire life, Raman awarded many Nobels and prizes and medals. He had made his motherland proud by becoming the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize. He also awarded the Bharat Ratna and Franklin and Lenin Peace Prize. He died in November 21, 1970 by his heart disease. At last, we would like to thank Sir C.V. Raman for his exemplary contribution to science and India. Thank you all.